Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel PRIYANSHU Placement Solutions. So friends, in this video we are just discussing about IBM last slot coding question, and the question name is guys arithmetic packets or arithmetic bundles binary code decimal number guys. Okay, so we'll discuss the solution of that question guys, and that question is very important and little bit more chance maybe this question is repeat this time. Okay, maybe guys, you know. So let us start guys one by one, and if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon button. And one more thing guys, if you want to prepare for IBM and if you want some coding questions, right, you can follow this whole playlist guys, all the videos guys, because in all videos I'm just discussing about the IBM coding questions. And one more thing guys, if you really want to crack IBM, then only you need to watch this a single video guys, complete guidance and trick for clearing IBM. Video number 6 guys, you know, just watch it and as soon as possible before your IBM test guys. And those who have watched this video number 6 100% cleared the IBM exam coding round guys. Clear? So if you really want to clear the IBM exam, go and check out video number 6 guys. Okay, so let's see guys one by one. The question is guys, I have not written the whole theory of the question, but guys I will discuss with you, no problem. So basically guys, you have a one string and you have one string is an input, and in a string have a guys, string have a inputs are like that guys. And you have a string, and in a string 0 and 1 is there guys. String is a format of 0 and 1, and guys whatever the values are there, like for example triple 4 times 0 is 0, 0 0 0 1 is 1, this and this type of input is given guys. String one constant is given guys. If the length of string is not multiple of 4, then we need to print invalid input. Keep in mind this thing guys, in IBM one condition is mandatory, or in every question guys in a IBM one condition they are just giving you for invalid input guys. Clear? So let us discuss just an example. If the input is provided like that, then you need to print a invalid input. Let's see the question guys. Basically the question guys, what you need to do, you need to just split the given string in a 4 4 pair, like this 4 4 4 4 4 4. Then guys you need to change, you need to convert these 4 pair to decimal number, means the decimal of 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0 is this, 6 is there guys. Next we have a 0 0 1 0, 0 0 1 0 is 2. Then we have a triple 4 times 0, 4 times 0 is 0. Then we have a 1 1 0 1, 1 1 0 1 means divide. So guys, whenever you have a operator, you need to print operator in a next line. Whenever you have a operator, you need to print operator in a next line guys. Clear? Next, whatever the numbers are there, for example 0 0 1 0 is there, then guys 0 0 1 0, 0 0 1 0 means 2. Okay, then 0 0, so it will print 20. Clear? So whenever you have an operator guys, operator just print in a single line. Okay, clear? So that is a question guys. I hope the question is clear. We need to only implement a logic, because in a IBM guys we have already one built-in function is there, def or int function, and you need to write only coding. No need to return anything, simply you need to write the coding and with print statement guys. We will discuss this thing, no worries. Clear? So let's see guys how to solve this question. First of all guys, just an example, we have a one lengthy string of 0 1 format, 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Just an example, we need to split the given string in 4 4 parts guys. Clear? We need to split the given string in a 4 4 parts, and one constant is given guys, like if the length of a string is percent with 4 does not equal to 0 guys, does not equal to 0, then we need to print invalid input. Clear? This thing is clear guys. Keep in mind this thing will, when we make a code, we'll implement this condition first, then we'll write our logic. Okay, now let's see guys, let me change the color. Okay, इतना सभी को clear होगा. ठीक है, चलो. So the next thing is guys, how to split the string. First of all guys, we need a 0 to 3 index, right? 0 1 2 3. Then in the next iteration we need 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 4 to 7 index. In similar way we need a 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clear? So in these way guys we need a string. So just an example guys, if I take a for loop, just an example, if I take a for loop from 0 to length of whatever the string is given guys we have. Clear? Next I just increment this I will increment the I by 4. I will increment the I by 4 means guys, first of all the I value is 0 in the starting. Yes, then we have a 4. Yes, then we have a 8. Yes, then we have a 12. So we got left part guys. Clear na? समझ आ रहा है? And for right part, for right hand side, what I need to write? I can write like I plus 4 less than I plus 4. Sorry, less than मैंने greater than ना. Sorry. Just wait. I need to write like that. Pen like this. So this is J value you can say. Clear? So our problem is solved guys. We have already done. We have made the pattern. Sorry, we have made the 4 4 pair. Yes or no? Yes है ना? अभी तो आप बोल नहीं सकते, आप कमेंट कर सकते हो yes or no, है ना? ठीक है. So चलो. So the next step guys, let's move to code. Okay, I am just making this code in a Python, but guys you can implement same logic in any of programming language guys. So just keep in mind guys, whatever code I am writing in this video, you can copy paste the same code in an exam if the question is came coming or came. Okay, so चलो देखते हैं how to make a code for that. Okay, before discussing the code guys, if you have not subscribed here, please subscribe because video है ना, when we are making the last slot last year or some question video guys, it take a lot of time. Why lot of time? Because guys first we analysis the question, find the question, analysis the question, then we are making the solution, right? Then we are just implement the, then we are just making the video, right? Okay, so that's why I'm saying again please subscribe here. Okay, so let's see the solution first. Okay, one by one guys we will do. So in an exam guys like this, the code screen like that, you need to write code here, in an exam maybe it's write like write code here. Okay, in this way you have a, okay, WRIT, right? So let's see guys how to write the code. First of all guys, let's implement let me do one thing. I just take a equal to input bit, and I just storing input bit in one variable. Now if length of a person with 2, sorry यार 4, does not equal to 0, अगर वो equal to 0 ना हो guys, in that condition we will print what? Invalid input. If I am run this code guys, let's see the output. It will give the nothing. Why nothing? Because this given string is a divisible by 4, the length, if I run like now, then it will give invalid. Why? Because total the length of this is 17. Okay, now let's move to next step guys. दूसरी step करते हैं हम लोग. So the next step guys is we just write our logic in a else part. In a else part guys, what I am saying, I am just saying like for I in range, as I told now, we just execute our for loop from 0 to length of whatever the length is given, that is a, comma, I will do the increment by plus 4. And now if I just print, if I am just printing I value guys, okay, if I just print the I value, let's see the output guys. 0 4 8 12 16 20, done. Clear? We got starting point. And what about ending point? Ending point is plus 4, and that is less than means minus 1, it will execute. Let's see 0 3, and clear na guys? Clear this thing? Okay, let's see the guys. Now what I am writing, I am just using the slicing. Okay, I am just using slicing here. How to use? Let's see. I am just taking one temp variable. In the temp variable guys, a of what I am writing, starting index plus I plus 4, it take a less 1. If I print temp now guys, now as you can see here guys, our given string is splitted 4 4 4 4, combination of 4 guys. Getting my point guys? Our we got pairing of 4 4. समझ आ रहा है गाइस सभी को कैसे किया, है ना? So let's move to next step. Now the next step is guys, next step. Now what's my logic guys? We got this pairing, right? हमें pairs मिल जाएंगे. Now guys, let's come again the logic guys. Now what we will implement? What is the use of this? Now guys, can I do the change? Can I do this binary to? Can I convert this binary to decimal? Binary to decimal, binary to decimal, binary to decimal, binary to decimal. But guys, but we have a operator as well, right? We have operator. How to find this operator value means just an example. We have a plus. The decimal of this 1010 is 10. Decimal of this is 11, is 12, and this one is 13. So now guys, what I am doing, I am just taking a one empty list, okay, LST list, and in this list guys, I will store some value 0 like 1 2 till 9. After 9 I will store the this plus symbol, then I will store minus, then I will store multiplication, then I will store division. Okay, so let's see, let's come back the code guys. Okay, so here I am just creating a list in a else part only guys. Okay, what I am saying, I am just making a lst list equal to, we have a zero index, that zero index, we have a 0 comma 1, है ना? At a first index we have a 1, second index we have a 2, clear? Then we have a third index, then we have a fifth, sorry, comma, fifth, comma, sixth, comma, 7 we got, then comma 8, comma 9, comma guys, we have a 10, no 10, we have a plus, we have a minus, then we have a guys multiplication, at the last we have a, yes, divide. Clear? So now guys, if I run this code, now let's see, if I just want to use list, I can't say list use to nahi hoga yahan pe guys right now. But if I just want to check, if I if I just print the value guys, print 13, if I just want to use the 13, ठीक है, if I just want to print 13 comma, can I write lst of 13? If I write lst of 13, not 13, sorry, 12, let me use 12 right now. Let's see, we'll go 13. 13 means star guys, sorry, 12 means star, sorry, 12 means star, and 13 means, if I provide here 13, 13 means guys divide. Clear na? Clear guys, this thing here is 13, divide means whenever the binary number is 13 we got divide, whenever the binary number is 0 we got 0, binary number is 1 we got 1, binary number is 10 we got plus, for 11 we got minus, 12 we got multiplication, and 13 we got division, divide, है ना? So guys, I hope you all know about how to convert binary to decimal in a Python, right? Let's see, binary to decimal in a Python. How to convert? Let us see guys. So I am just taking a b2d equal to b2d int of temp comma binary number, that is the binary base is 2. Clear? Now I will just print btd, clear, binary to decimal. If I am run this code guys, let's see, we got the output. Let me comment this line right now, or I can delete this line right now. Okay, one by one, है ना guys, just try to understand this code. See guys, here we got binary 6 2 0 13. Now guys, at a 13 we need a operator, right? And 2 and 0 done. Now guys, what I am doing, I can write like lst of list, whatever the binary number I will take as a index. We will got 620/20. But the question is guys, you need to print 620 in a single line, then you have a divide in different line, and then 20. So let us convert this thing as well guys, no problem. So what I was doing guys, I am just taking a one p variable, I'm just taking a one p variable, and I'm just storing lst in that one. And guys, then what I'm just taking if p equal to plus, or p equal to minus, or p equal to multiplication, yes, then, or p equal to what guys, divide. If these things are there, then I will simple print, clear, and then I will print what I will print guys, p. Okay, And in the else part, what I will doing, I am just print whatever the value of p and not next line. It will not take a next line. Now I will run this code, and as you can see guys, we got 620 and xyz means 20, and this one guys we got our output. Clear? Getting guys? In these way guys, you can do this that type of question. That is your answer. And this code is already passed. This code is already submitted by some student and got selected in a round 1 of IBM coding round guys. Clear? Guys, please subscribe. अभी subscribe करो. Please subscribe now only guys, है ना? Then you can continue the video. Subscribe now guys, please, please. Okay? Please subscribe now only. Then you can continue the video. Okay? Now guys, next thing is guys, if you're not have joined our telegram channel guys, please join here and please join our telegram channel as well guys. And guys, one more thing, and if you have not follow, if you are not following our instagram page guys, you can follow our instagram page as well, because instagram भी बढ़िया आएगा, ठीक है? instagram पे ठीक ठाक रहता है, like we are update, है ना? We also update you on our instagram as well, right? So if you want, if you have not follow our instagram page guys, please follow. Just simply search Priyanshu placement solution, you will got our solution. And thank you for this guys, है ना? I think 468 followers are there, है ना? And one only following, that is me only. Okay. And the link is also given guys, if you want have any query or any apply link, है ना? I have already put a link here in on a instagram page guys. So you can, one more thing guys, that is very important for your exam guys, just watch video number 6. Don't forget to watch video number 6. That is very 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 से भी ज्यादा very important guys. ठीक है? What things you need to do now guys? First of all, you need to subscribe our youtube channel for daily updates and placement material guys, because a lot of people are not know I have a youtube channel, and you all many people are joined on my whatsapp group and other platform, but they not know I have a youtube, right? So that's why guys, many students are unable to update it, right? So try to subscribe. That's why I'm saying again and again. Or one more thing guys, share this video with your friends and those who have IBM coding round, or those who have IBM exam. Clear guys? Do one thing here please, a single thing you need to do, just click on subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button, so that guys, whatever I am uploading on my YouTube channel guys, you will got a notification, right? And you just updated with all the things like hiring and placement material. ठीक है? So go and check out this question guys, try by yourself once guys. Clear? Question is clear to everyone. If you want, you can take a screenshot, no worries guys. And it's all about today's video. We'll meet on next video with different type of question guys, ठीक है? And please share this video with your friends and college group. Yes, of course. Okay, so thank you for watching this video friends. We'll meet on next video, and we will start one web development course on our YouTube channel guys soon. So those who are interested to join that course guys, free of cost, there is no cost, there is no need to pay a single money for that course guys. And in that course, front end we will complete first, then we'll move to back end. Okay, and for back end guys, we will use a latest technology, but I not close, I not disclose the latest technology, what technology we will use. But yes guys, we'll use the latest technology for backend. But right now we just start with the front end guys, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That is very important, and these things is always used if you are developer, right? If you will become a developer, then you need to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript and remaining things. So that's why guys, I will start this batch soon, as soon as possible guys, whenever I will free, or I just think to start this batch by weekend. So let's see guys क्या होता है, ठीक है? So I will inform on my same YouTube channel guys. That's why I'm saying again and again, just subscribe. Okay, so we'll meet on next video. Thank you for watching this. And again, I'm last time saying is just subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon button and share this video as well. And just follow this playlist if you really want to crack IBM guys. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye. Take care guys.